The HTF test loop is a facility devoted to the technology of parabolic trough collectors. It consists of a closed thermal oil circuit with three 75-meter-long parabolic trough collectors connected in parallel. Thanks to a powerful oil pumping equipment, several of these collectors can be operated simultaneously, thus allowing the execution of up to 3 different tests at a time. The east-west rotating axis of the solar collectors allows tests with any incidence angle in any season of the year. The thermal oil used in this facility, Siltherm 800, has a maximum working temperature of 420 degrees Celsius and a freezing point of -40 degrees Celsius. The oil circuit of this facility is made up of the following elements: one 10 cubic meter capacity oil expansion tank with automatic nitrogen inertization, one mechanical draft oil cooler with airspeed control and 400 kilowatt maximum cooling power, 2 centrifugal oil pumps connected in parallel and driven by frequency controllers for oil flow rate control, 2 40 kilowatt electric oil heaters. Although the 3 parabolic trough collectors of this facility have the same total length, parabola width and focal distance, their mechanical designs are different, and therefore their steel structures are also different from each other. The oldest design is the Euro trough design, which has a central torque box composed of many galvanized steel profiles that provide a high stiffness and rigidity. Additional steel profiles connected to the central torque box are used to hold the mirror segments that compose the parabolic trough concentrators. The next step in the development of steel structures for parabolic trough collectors was the replacement of the torque box by a torque tube. In this design, the mechanical stiffness is provided by a central steel tube, and the arms supporting the mirror segments are attached to this central tube. In this design approach, the steel arms holding the mirrors are similar to those of the Euro trough design. The third step in the way to optimize the steel structure design for parabolic trough collectors was the replacement of the metallic arms composed of steel profiles by arms made of stamped plates. The use of stamped plates introduced a significant cost reduction in the manufacturing and shipment costs because they can be transported, making a very efficient use of the room available inside standard containers. The 3 parabolic trough collectors existing at the HTF test loop were initially installed at this facility to evaluate their optical and geometrical performance, and are now used to install, evaluate and qualify new designs of receiver tubes, reflectors and other components for parabolic trough collectors. The HTF test loop is appropriately instrumented for qualifying and evaluating the following components under real solar conditions: new designs of parabolic trough collectors, up to 75 meters long, to evaluate their optical, geometrical and thermal performance, peak optical efficiency, incident angle modifier, and global efficiency heat losses, reflectors for parabolic trough collectors, receiver tubes for parabolic trough collectors, new designs of ball joints or flex hoses for connecting parabolic trough collectors in the solar fields, solar tracking systems, and any equipment for oil circuits with a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Celsius. This facility is also suitable to perform an accelerated aging of components for parabolic trough collectors or thermal oil circuits.